welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Tiffany and I post videos about lifestyle. I recently gave birth, so I'll be posting more videos about that. I'm going to show you a tour about our postpartum room where I stayed for the past few days. I gave birth a few days ago and yeah, I've been here for some time now, getting used to the new routine, being a mom and doing all those things. Today is our last day here and I have put on some makeup, freshened up, feeling good to go home. Definitely still recovering. I had a C-section, so definitely still recovering. But yeah, I just wanted to show you what this room looked like, and so yeah, let's go take a look. So this is the door to our room. It's a huge door. They have this privacy curtain here. When you walk in, you see the bed. There's the bassinet slash crib slash changing table. You know, typical hospital stuff here. Over here is a door to our bathroom. Some, you know, hospital stuff, this table. Got some waters over there that we had over the past few days, my bag. We also brought our coolers, which was super helpful because we had all of our snacks that we wanted to eat after the labor and delivery. My husband's backpack, a rocking chair, super handy. We just have our suitcase. We brought a suitcase since we had a bunch of stuff that we wanted to bring. Like I wanted to bring my own pillow, blankets, and some of the stuff that I needed for postpartum and then for labor and delivery. Got some extra tote bags. Super helpful to bring tote bags since you get a lot of stuff from the hospital. Some postpartum items, dirty clothes, a chair there, and this is a like sofa slash couch, bigger couch I guess, that converts to a bed, which my husband slept on for the past few nights. You know, some blinds that covers. Honestly, I haven't opened this at all since we've been so busy, but it's there if you want to get some sun, I guess. I don't even know what's outside. But yeah, excuse all of our stuff. Also, this is the bed. You can go up and down on the bed, turn on and off the lights. We have a lot of blankets here that we use, a lot of the pillows, my hospital gown. This is the take-home outfit that we'll be using for our baby. Crib slash bassinet with our baby. I know, I don't want to wake him up, so he's looking so content in there. Hey baby, love you. Okay, so over here there's like some shelves for diapers, wipes, you know, you name it. I have this tray table thing that moves around that I usually eat my meals on. I usually bring the meals and put it out here. I have other stuff that were on here, but today I have my makeup bag since we were leaving today. You know, some old breakfast items that I should throw away. Waters. This is the Medela breast pump that I used when I was here. I wanted to try it out and met with a lactation consultant. Tried using yesterday and today. Was able to get quite a bit of breast milk. It's like 15 milliliters, so that's kind of a lot for only for the first few days. These are the settings and the blood pressure cuff that they use on me like multiple times a day. That IV thing over there, hospital stuff. So let me give you an overview here. So also we got these flowers, they're so beautiful. I love them so much. It's a boy. Let's go see what's in the bathroom. Nothing glamorous, of course. The lights turn on. There's a shower. I didn't use a shower at all. My husband did use a shower, but there's no time to use a shower for me. But lots of people use it, I'm sure. Just not for me during this time. Towel, basic stuff. Yes, I still look pregnant, trying to decrease my swelling and bloating, all that postpartum fun stuff. Our toiletries bag, garbage can, you know, I put my Peri bottle there. Basic bathroom stuff. They also have these bags where they put in our postpartum items that are super handy. I have mesh underwear, pads, like cold packs, and other items here for postpartum. Okay, and that is it. Okay, so that is all for the postpartum labor and delivery recovery room. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Bye everyone!